Let's learn how you can translate from Chinese to English on RedNote application. Now let us open RedNote application. There are a few things you can do here. First is you can go to your settings. When you're there, just go on general settings and click on languages and select English. Now you can go back and go to some post. Just a second, go to some post. For example, this one, you can see that it's on Chinese. Just click on translate and it will translate all the text from Chinese to English. What you can do also is, for example, on iPhone, you can just take a screenshot of Chinese text and go to your gallery and just copy and select text. You can choose translate option. For Android, you can use Gboard, or you will have instant translation on Android options. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.